welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to change your WhatsApp business account to a personal account. So for that, what you have to do is select your WhatsApp business, get logged into your account if you have not, and then you're going to have to first back up all the chats and medias. So select three dot icon, go for settings. In here, select chats. Scroll below, select chat backup. As you do that, go ahead, select backup. It will ask you to select a Google account where you would like to back up your data. Select your primary Google account and then start your backup. Once the backup has been completed, go ahead, launch your WhatsApp application. In my case, I have already turned my business account to personal account, but as soon as you open your WhatsApp personal account or this application of WhatsApp only, it will ask you to enter the phone number and log into your account. Make sure that you are typing the same number as you have been in your WhatsApp business. And once done, go ahead, follow the on-screen prompt. They are very easy. And like that, your business account will be converted into personal account.